If you think you've explored every niche as a digital marketer, think again. There are 5 high-profit niches in 2025 that you're completely overlooking. And guess what? These niches are exploding, but most marketers are still sleeping on them. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have the inside scoop on how to tap into these gold mines before anyone else does. Welcome back to Boost Meester, the channel where we turn digital marketing chaos into clarity. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more exclusive tips. Today we're diving deep into 5 niches you're totally missing out on as a digital marketer. Whether you're just starting or you're an experienced pro, these untapped niches could be your ticket to scaling your income like never before. Ready to discover them? Let's go! First up, sustainable products and eco-friendly brands. With consumers becoming more eco-conscious than ever, this niche is booming. Brands that offer eco-friendly alternatives are in demand. Digital marketers who specialize in green marketing are seeing great returns. You can target eco-conscious buyers by promoting products that focus on sustainability, whether that's eco-friendly packaging, renewable materials, or green energy solutions. If you're not targeting this niche yet, you're leaving money on the table. Next, we have the pet products and services market. Pet owners are spending big on high-quality pet food, accessories, and even pet wellness. Pet services such as grooming, training, and pet sitting are also on the rise. Digital marketers who tap into this niche can create campaigns for local pet stores, brands, or services that target this lucrative demographic. If you're into quirky, fun content that resonates with animal lovers, this niche could be perfect for you. Third on the list, health and wellness for aging populations. With the aging population growing rapidly, there's an increasing demand for health-related products and services targeting older adults. This could range from supplements, fitness programs, to mental health services. Digital marketers who can tailor content and services to meet the needs of seniors are going to thrive in this niche. It's time to cater to the massive market of older adults who want to live healthier and longer lives. The fourth niche to explore is virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR. As technology advances, more companies are adopting VR/AR for marketing and customer experiences. VR and AR-based marketing campaigns are gaining traction in real estate, entertainment, and even retail sectors. Imagine helping a real estate agency create virtual home tours, or a retail brand allowing customers to try on clothes virtually. The VR/AR niche is exploding, and digital marketers with the right skills will have an edge in this space. Last but not least, digital products for creators. Content creators, coaches, and influencers are in need of digital products that elevate their brand. Whether it's ebooks, templates, courses, or digital art, the creator economy is massive and continues to grow. Digital marketers can step in to help creators sell, promote, and market these digital products. And guess what? The profit margins are huge. With creators constantly looking to monetize their platforms, there's a massive opportunity for digital marketers to build relationships and grow with them. And there you have it. 5 high-profit niches that are begging for digital marketers to take the lead. These niches aren't just profitable, they're evolving rapidly, and if you jump on them now, you can be ahead of the competition. So what are you waiting for? Start specializing and watch your digital marketing business scale like never before. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions or thoughts in the comments below. Let's start a conversation about these exciting niches. Until next time, keep hustling, and I'll see you in the next video.